Hi everyone, so today I made my own baked blush and there it is. I got the idea from Rebelglam and I used some different ingredients she did. I've had to figure out other ways to do it because I did not have some of the ingredients, but my baked blush came out so beautiful. Let me just swatch it for you. Let's see. There's the color. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. And then here's my Laura Geller baby cakes blushes, and swatch that for you. It's right there. But I find mine to be so much like more creamy and stuff. I can't wait to show you guys my face of the day with this blush. And yeah, if you want to know how I made it, then I will make a video. I am planning on making a bronzer, so yeah, stay tuned. So I just wanted to show you guys that, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.